Most retreat creators make one of two huge mistakes when it comes to automation. They either avoid it completely or use it in a way that actually creates more work. The trick is, when you implement automation correctly, you actually end up with more free time and a greater ability to create meaningful connections with your clients. What's up? I'm Ian with Retreat Help, where we help retreat creators and conscious business owners sell out their offerings faster, increase revenue, and have a greater impact on the world with less stress. In this video, I'll show you the 3 key areas where automation can completely transform your retreat business, exactly how to implement these systems without overwhelming yourself, and most importantly, how to use automation to create more personal connections, not less. Make sure you stick around to the end, because what I'm going to be talking about in this video can really make or break a retreat business. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, and if you're getting value from it, subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more good stuff coming up. So let's start with something that's costing most retreat businesses money right now, and that's response time. When someone reaches out to you about your retreat, they're usually ready to take action. That's a hot lead. They're excited, they're motivated, and they want to know more. But what typically happens after an initial inquiry is that potential participant ends up waiting, sometimes hours, sometimes days before getting a response. Every hour that goes by reduces the chance of converting that interest into a booking. These days, the average retreat participant is researching several options before ever committing. That's why automated response systems are so crucial. If your competitors have them and you don't, it will likely cost you bookings. Now, I'm not talking about generic autoresponders. I'm talking about intelligent systems that immediately engage potential clients with relevant information based on their specific inquiry. The key is to set up your automation to handle the basic questions on the spot, while scheduling one-on-one conversations for deeper, more nuanced questions. Some really impactful areas that can be automated are the scheduling of discovery calls, confirmations and reminders, the answering of repetitive, frequently asked questions, delivery of freebies, and even automatic nurture sequences that increase engagement with people who sign up for your newsletter. But here's the thing that most people get wrong. They try to automate everything. The goal isn't to remove your personal touch. It's to handle the routine stuff automatically so you can focus your energy on the more meaningful conversations. The second major area where automation can have a big impact on your business is in your client journey. From the moment someone books your retreat until long after they've returned home, there are dozens of touch points that need to happen. Trying to handle all of these manually is not only exhausting, it's impossible to scale and can lead to burnout. And according to a 2023 Get Response study, automated emails like welcome emails and abandoned cart reminders generate 320% more revenue than non-automated emails. Like I said, when done correctly, these things have the power to completely change your retreat business. Smart automation means setting up systems that guide your clients through their journey step by step. This includes things like delivering pre-retreat preparation material, payment reminders, check-in sequences that build excitement, post-retreat follow-ups, and automated testimonial requests. The best part? Once these systems are set up, they work for you 24/7, ensuring that no client falls through the cracks while you focus on creating amazing retreat experiences. The third key area where automation provides massive value is in content delivery. Every retreat business should be building a social media following of some kind. This is typically done by sharing valuable content like educational material, preparation guides, and success stories. And while everyone knows that they should be doing it, manually sharing these resources is inefficient and time-consuming, which often produces inconsistent results. By automating your content delivery, you can ensure the following: that clients get the right information at the right time, your expertise is shared consistently, you're always able to provide value, and that you'll actually have time to create new content. This is where you can really leverage automation to scale your impact. Instead of repeatedly explaining the same concepts, you can direct people to your automated resources and focus your energy on high-level conversations. Here's an effective strategy on how to start implementing automations in your business without getting overwhelmed. First, map out your customer journey and identify the repetitive tasks that drain your energy. What are the touch points that pretty much every participant will need? Those are your first opportunities for automation. Next, just start with one area. Usually, an automated response system can be put in place for things like confirmations and reminders. Adding a couple simple automations to your discovery call and booking systems can start to save you time immediately. Trust me, as someone who's set up a lot of automations, it's best to get comfortable with the new automations that you've implemented and make sure everything is running smoothly before moving on and trying to automate a different area of your business. I promise you, it is best to focus on just one area at a time. And last, test the system yourself. And if possible, enroll a couple of trusted friends to test the system with you. Make sure you get to experience the automations from the client's perspective. Remember, the goal is to make the experience better for your customer, not just easier for you. Getting objective feedback about the end user's experience is a super important step in the process. Now that you understand how to use automation to save yourself a lot of time and create a better customer experience, let's talk about how to create automations for the most valuable marketing asset of any retreat business: your mailing list. I promise you, the value of an engaged mailing list cannot be understated. Check out this video right here to discover how to build your mailing list and turn it into your most powerful marketing tool. We'll see you there.